So what is ATP? We've said it's cell energy, but what does that actually mean? It's adenosine triphosphate, and it powers pretty much everything that goes on inside your cells. So its name comes from the adenine group, or the nitrogen base, okay? That's this guy. It's the same adenine that is used in DNA production. We'll see it again later on. We have a ribose, or a sugar, and then we have 3 phosphates. So tri equals 3. So adenosine triphosphate is this group of the adenine plus the sugar plus 3 phosphates. Our focus in biology is this phosphate on the end. The whole process of cell respiration is going to take this phosphate, put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. This last bond is where all of the energy is stored that is actually going to power the reactions inside your cells. So we go through a process known as phosphorylation. This is the adding or subtracting of a phosphate. That's all. But we do this primarily through hydrolysis. If you watched our lectures on chemical reactions in the building of macromolecules, we have talked hydrolysis before. What is hydrolysis? Hydro is water. Lysis is what? Breaking. So you're going to break something with water. And in our reaction, we're actually going to use water to go through the hydrolysis reaction and remove this end phosphate. And when we do that, when we remove that phosphate, energy is released. This energy is no longer ATP. This energy is now kinetic energy. This kinetic energy can be used to do anything inside your cells. We said that ATP is renewable. Well, how? Well, we have to couple an exergonic and an endergonic reaction. And when we couple them together, we get ATP recycled. This is how it works. We take that ATP through hydrolysis. We're going to break it down, get the energy out of that phosphate bond that we need to actually do work. But when we do that, we have 2 products, ADP and a phosphate. ADP is adenosine diphosphate. Di equals 2, so there are just 2 phosphates. To get back to adenosine triphosphate, we just add a phosphate. So phosphorylation is the addition of a phosphate. When we add it, we go back to ATP, and we start all over again. Endergonic reactions put energy out, we do work. Exergonic reactions put a phosphate back on, we create more ATP, this potential or stored energy to be used later. And we keep going and going and going all day long. Turns out that your cells need about 1 million molecules of ATP per second to actually do what you need to do. And each ATP molecule can go through about 10,000 cycles every day of that reaction we just showed you with phosphorylation, hydrolysis, phosphorylation, hydrolysis, back and forth. So your ATP are very, very busy powering your cells and getting recycled.